All right, welcome to Dale Kramer's Custom Cars and Editing. I got my dash cap today. I got it all prepared today. Now I'm gonna glue it on today. So now I'm just gonna take this silicone that came with it, and I'm gonna hit the dash cap all over like that, and then I'll be back with you in just a second. Okay? So I already trimmed all the high spots and everything I possibly could, to make it fit the best it could possibly fit. So I believe I got it. All right, one spot worries me a little bit. Oh, no, I guess not. Okay. Anyway, so I'm going to pause the video because I can't hold the camera. Oh, wait. Wonder if I could set that up. Hang on a minute. All right, I think I got something rigged up here. Ain't the best, but it's got my camera hanging out the door. The Duster. Okay. Real simple to do now. I took off the high spots of the dash. Okay. I sanded the cover of the dash a little bit and cover it slightly. What the hell? It sounded like I was breaking it, but I didn't break it or nothing. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go nuts with some silicone that came with the kit. And as you can see, I sanded it, So wasn't gonna film it, and I thought, yeah, I'll film it. What the heck? So let's just start gooping this up somewhere here. Find some spots here to goop it. We goop it. Goop it! That sounds like a French term or something. Okay. So I'm just getting. Oh my god, that stuff is filmy. Holy cats. Well, I would suggest use the whole tube if you can. You know? Oh, there we go. I got some. And stay away from the edges. Come on, baby. Come on. I should have worked my way out. Oh my god, there's no room in this car for me. Oh, what are we gonna do now here? Has its mind of its own. Okay. Let's see now. I'd like to do this part if I could. Yeah, it ain't gonna work. Okay. I would love to do that part, but I don't know if I can get the gravity to force it that way. Well, if I could do blobs at least, that'd be nice. There we go. God, once you get it on your fingertips, it's all over the place, ain't it? Okay, I just got it on my hand now, so. There, I threw it out the door. Try to wipe some of this off in my little pants here. Okay. Now, I've had everything all prepared. Let's slide it over. Oh, look at that. Man, that's quality. Normally you'd have to put some weight on it and everything, but this sealed really good. I took my time and I prepared it, you know. And now we'll just make sure everything's pushed in. Ah, look at that, eh? I love these dash caps. To the dash cap company. Accuform Plastics, I think, is what the company's name actually is. Boy, does that look nice. You guys did a wonderful job on it. Let's see. Boy, that finishes that dash off nice, don't it? I put this piece of tape down here because that light would be blinding us. Okay. Now we just gotta let her meditate. By golly, I think we got her. I think we got her, Andy. Andy, I think we got her, Andy. Oh, Andy Griffith. Yo, Andy. Well, let's go on a tour with our big job of putting our dash cap on. Yeah, you take the time, you prepare it right. It turns out okay. Listen to the directions. This piece of tin there. Oh, here. Let's do this first. We'll go across here. If we can kind of see it. I wonder if I got a flashlight or something. Do I have some sort of light producing device? Maybe right here, maybe. That looks pretty good. So hard for me to do. I'm so tall. Well, let's do this. Let's close that. Can we see anything from out here? Or do we just see the light? Oh yeah, just reflections. Oh, that's nice. Huh. Well, let's go to the driver's side then and look at it that way. This whole job took me, I don't know, hour and a half, I suppose. I don't know if you can see the seam there. How it snapped over the top of that. Looks brand new. Looks just like downtown. Now let's go and look in here. Some lights. Man, that's nice. I got it from Classic Industries, just to let you know. Not getting no money from anybody. Nobody ever wants to pay me anything for nothing, so. But, yeah. Now this is more glossy. I use flat black on everything, you know. No, maybe I should have used gloss. I don't know. But, it actually looks worse on the camera than what it actually is. So, anyway, now what we're going to do is we're going to put that shifter boot cover on there. But, let's see here. Hang on. My car is getting so airtight. I don't want to shut. Plus, the seals are so hard yet. It needs to sit out in the sun, but up here in Minnesota, we get no sun. Now, this week, it's going to be only 55 for the high in May. But anyway, here's the welting I got put on there yet, and then I got the shifter boot here. This was $94. Hey, why does it have to be that much? Beer costs that much now, or what? Then these are my tie rod end covers I got to put on. So I got to pull those tie rod ends off and put them on there. Then I got window chrome yet. I got to clean up and put on it. And then we'll drive it, you know. But yeah. Wish I didn't have so much glare. You could see better. You can kind of see things, you know. You can see the dash cap there. But anyway, please like and subscribe, and that's how you put a dash cap on a Mopar E-body. And let me tell you, the quality, it snapped on there nice. Yeah, that looks really nice. I wish we'll do a walk through the whole car when I get her outside. We'll do an update again. So I need to sit down for a minute. Oh, 7-foot guy trying to motivate. So this is how deer looks at your Duster. Hey, look, it's a Duster. It's a Valiant Signet Duster. I think that's how I actually name it. Yeah. But anyway, that is it. No, I'm yawning. I gotta clean up my mess now. Looks like the Duster is using a very expensive shelf. That is the most expensive shelf that money can buy. I gotta clean that off of there. I'll do that next. I don't like shit on the car. But anyway, we will talk to you guys later. Please like and subscribe. We're going to put that shift boot in next, I think, and get that done. Car's almost roadworthy. It's almost there. Not quite, but very close. Very, very extremely close. So we'll talk to you later. You guys take care, okay? So you guys have a wonderful day. We'll talk to you later. Please like and subscribe if you can. And those of you that are subscribing, I personally thank you. Okay, enough of that shit. Okay, I thank you. Okay? And I really do. I appreciate it. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Bye-bye.